Hello guys, welcome back to the Segi Skills. So let's have a look in another property of GetX Material App. Get Material App. So in the previous video we have tested all these things. So for example, if I click on here, so GetX, so it's displaying here in the bottom and hidden. Now if I click here, so dialog box, so it will display the dialog box as you can see. So now in this video let's have another properties look. So what we can do in Get Material App, in GetX app. So here, come here, and after this minimize this snack bar, minimize this and remove this, and here remove this size box and minimize this and remove this, and here write bottom sheet. Because we are using bottom sheet, we will check how we can use bottom sheet in this GetX application. So now here everything is okay, learn GetX, and here this is okay, no problem, you can leave it. So here inside this elevated button background I won't press, so here write get dot bottom sheet, and here we will pass container, and inside this container we have to pass child, and child will wrap, and inside this wrap we have children, and visit, here write visit, and here inside this visit we have to pass list style, and inside this we have leading icon, and then icons dot bb underscore incandescent, this one, and after its title text will be light theme, and then after this we have to on tab put two curly brackets, and inside get dot theme get dot change theme, this one, and here theme data dot light, this one, and now click on it, text, and type here const like this, const, and here const, error has gone. Now put comma here, and let's copy this text style, list style, copy this, copy, and after this just simply paste and put here semicolon in this container, so here put semicolon, and now everything useful. Let's test the application. So click on this run button here, click on run, and let's see, and as you can see we have this bottom sheet button here. So let's click on this, and now you can see we have here this, so we have forget, come back to the here, and here we have to write dark theme, and here also dark, this one, make sure change this is dark theme, and we have to just simply copy this and paste here. we have cut all before. Don't copy. I'm sorry guys. So we have to paste 2 times this, and we have to change this dark, and here light, this one, and this is the light. Before I cut only and did not paste, sorry guys. So here we have this for light theme, and this is style for dark theme. Let's test the application. Reload our application. Let's see. So now if I click on this, it's showing you option light. If I click on this dark theme, now we are on dark theme, you can see. And if I click again bottom sheet, and if I go to light theme again, so click on it, and we are on light theme. So hope you understand this, how we can this light theme and dark theme. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video we will see another widgets of this GetX app. Thank you, bye bye.